Hey everyone, in my last video we set up Clawdbot AI agent with AWS and Gemini and the response was crazy. But since then, two major things have happened. First, the project has completely changed its name. Clawdbot is now Moltbot. And second, the number one question that you have asked me was, can I run this locally on my own PC without paying for cloud servers or LLM API keys? And the answer is yes. Today I'm going to show you how to run this agent fully offline using Ollama. Completely free. However, a fair warning. For smooth experience, I strongly recommend you to use a dedicated GPU. I tested it on my own CPU-only laptop and honestly, it is quite slow. So keep that in mind. Plus, stay tuned until the end because I'm going to solve the specific Telegram pairing issue that many of you faced. So let's dive in. Clawdbot is now Moltbot. Due to trademark issues with Anthropic's Cloud AI model, the project was renamed to Moltbot. An important note, from now on, when you install Moltbot, you need to use the new commands. Instead of Clawdbot, we now use Moltbot. So if the old commands doesn't work for you, that's the reason. Alright, let's build the local setup. We are going to use Ollama. I'm going to run Ollama in my Windows PC under Windows Subsystem for Linux. For those of you who don't know how to activate WSL in Windows, I will give you this Medium page link in the descriptions of the video, which will help you to install WSL in your Windows machine. Before I start, I have to be honest with you. My computer doesn't have a powerful GPU and it has a limited RAM. So running AI models locally with just CPU will be painfully slow. But let's experiment it. So let's jump into the Ubuntu terminal. Okay, first we need to install a prerequisite before installing Ollama. So let's first install it. Great, it has been installed. You can install Ollama with only one command that you can find from Ollama download Linux webpage. So let's copy this command. Then just run this command to install Ollama to your Linux machine. It may take a couple of minutes for Ollama to be installed to your system. Okay. Ollama has been installed. To check it, you can use Ollama serve command. If you see an error message, don't scare. It means Ollama is working fine in the background. In this demo, I'm going to use Qwen 2.5 coder model, specifically the smallest parameter version. Why this specific model? Because it is tiny and faster. It runs better on a standard notebook. To install this model, first copy its name and then just run Ollama pull the model name. Yes, our model has been successfully installed. With Ollama list command, you can check your downloaded AI models. Here you can see the new model that I just installed. Next step will be NodeJS installation, and we will follow the guideline that you can find from the NodeJS download web page. First, download and install NVM. Then run this command to use NVM in the current shell. Then let's download and install Node.js. You can verify your Node.js and npm versions. Before we continue with Moltbot installation, I want to just show you one more thing. If you want to test your model in Ollama, you can just run Ollama run command. Let's check it. Okay, I just asked, hello, how are you? And let's see how fast it is. So, as you can see, it is not very fast. It is actually, since I don't have any GPU on my notebook, it is quite slow. So, Moltbot will be also very slow in this machine, but let's give it a try. Let's first install our bot. Okay, our bot has been installed. Now let's configure it. In the onboarding screen, let's first select yes that we understand this is powerful and risky application. Select the quick start. Then in the model provider section, skip it for now. Select all providers. Select keep current. You can skip the channel configuration for now. You can skip the skills. You can skip the hooks. Just install the gateway service. In the last section, select do this later. And now your onboarding has been completed. One important note here. As mentioned here, please use the tokenized dashboard link above to control Clawdbot. So, which link is this? So, if you scroll above, under the control section, you will find a link with a token number. So, we will use this link to access our gateway. You can access your gateway by using this link. So, before we continue, let's stop the gateway. With this command, the gateway will be stopped. Onboarding Clawdbot with Ollama is actually very easy. Just run the following command. Select the model we just downloaded and continue. And select launch Clawdbot now. So it is launching Clawdbot with the new settings. Now our gateway is green and it has been onboarded with Ollama. You can check it from the config. Under the models, you will see Ollama and our local LLM model. Let's test it. I will just say hello and let's see what will happen. Well, it took more than I expected. After a couple of tries, I finally get an answer from the bot. Here you can see that the bot finally replied to me and asking me to how can I assist you today. So to sum up, if you have a powerful GPU, you can try Ollama with local LLM models. But if you have a standard notebook like me, do not try to use local models with Ollama. Finally, let's fix the most common issue from the comments. The Telegram pairing. I will restart the onboarding, approve the risks, select quick start. Now I will change my local model to my Gemini API. So I will select update values, selecting Google and selecting Google Gemini API key and pasting my Google Gemini API key here. I will select Gemini 2.5 Flash. Now I will select Telegram. Here we need to copy the Telegram bot token. Okay, let's create a new Telegram bot. First find the bot folder, then click the open button and then click the create a new bot button. Give your bot a name and then once you are ready, just click the create bot button. After you create the bot, copy the token that you created. One important note here, sometimes the copy is not working correctly, so just double check the token if you correctly copied it into your clipboard or not. Paste your Telegram bot token here. You can skip the skills, you can skip the hooks, reinstall the gateway service. Now this time, select the recommended hedge option. Great, our bot is awake now. Now let's return back to Telegram. Open the new bot that you just created and click the start button. That's it, it's already connected. But sometimes the Telegram bot can share you your Telegram user ID and a pair code. If you receive a message like that, just copy all the information here and paste it into your Moltbot session. So there you have it. If you have a powerful GPU, use the local models with Ollama. That way you will have a fully private AI that is running offline. And don't forget, the new name is Moltbot. If you run into any other issues, drop a comment below. I'm reading all of your comments. And please hit the like button if you saved some money with my videos. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next one.